absolutely fine. Okay, so how's your day so far?
My day is great. So, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So as you know, my name is Ghanendra Bhardwaj, and I'm calling you from Uttar Pradesh, Aligarh. And as far as my education is concerned, I have completed my graduation. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like to play cricket and listen to the music. And I also run a YouTube channel where I upload conversational videos over there. So that's all about me.
Okay, so I will introduce myself.
Yeah, it's
My
your
name
turn
is
now.
Tanishka. My name is Tanishka. I'm 8 years old. I'm studying third standard. My hobbies are to playing with Rubik's, reading storybooks, and playing with skating, riding cycle, and also dancing and singing. And I'm from Maharashtra district, Pune, and it's my channel on YouTube, English with Tanishka. This is all about me.
Yeah, that's very nice. Glad to know about you. So you also love music.
Yes, I love to sing.
Okay, that's great. And you also said that your hobby is to play with Rubik. Can you please? So do you know how to solve that?
Yes, I know lots of. I have lots of Rubik's. I know how to solve, but I know one side only from all the Rubik's. But from I know one Rubik's, that is triangle Rubik's. I can do all sides on that Rubik's.
Okay, that's great. And I also can solve Rubik cube.
Oh, do you have Rubik's?
Yeah, I have.
Can you show me? Can you show and can you do it?
Actually, right now I'm sitting at the roof of my house, so I had to go downstairs to show you. And downstairs is the network is not available, so that's why I'm just sitting at the roof. Actually, I'm in Blaze right now, so you can say that in Blaze there is a problem in of network, you can say. Yeah,
Okay, it's okay.
yeah, I can show you any other time. Okay.
Okay, I have lots of Rubik's. I can tell that snake Rubik's, triangle Rubik's, cylinder shape Rubik's, ball Rubik's, 3 by 3 Rubik's, then triangle Rubik's.
Yeah.
These are my Rubik's that I like to
Yeah.
solve.
Yeah. I can only solve 3 by 3 Rubik cube.
Oh, you can solve all sides on the 3 by 3 Rubik's.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my goodness!
Okay.
I only do one side on three Rubik's, 3 piece
Okay.
Rubik's.
Yeah, it's okay. Like you can learn that and then you can solve it. It's not a rocket science. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I
Okay.
but I know all sides on the triangle Rubik's.
Okay. That's great. I never solved that because I don't have.
Oh,
Okay.
you can purchase.
Yeah. Right. Okay. So, as you just mentioned, that like you like to read. So, what kind of books do you read? Like, it's comic or it's like any informative, knowledgeable books you read?
I read bedtime stories, moral stories, and once upon a time stories. And my mother is already order. Means my mother is ordering the books of the
Okay.
Ruskin Bond books. That is a
Okay.
set
Okay.
from
That's
Amazon.
something. Okay. So, you read the book aloud or you just read that book in your mind only?
I read the book in aloud.
Hmm.
And I also make my book and I create the story. And before the conversation, I also write the one story.
Okay, that's amazing. That's good habit, I would say. Okay,
And
so
I just write the story in my own words that I
mm,
make.
yeah, that's amazing activity you do. A really good and effective activity, I would say. Okay, so do you like love to watch cartoons?
Yes, I love to watch the cartoons, but I watch sometimes, not
Okay,
daily.
which one is your favorite then?
My favorite cartoon is Doraemon cartoon.
Got it. Okay, so do you
Doraemon,
watch?
Doraemon cartoon and Peppa Pig.
Mm. So do you watch
Peppa
Doraemon or these cartoon on your TV or in your mobile only?
My mother off the TV, but when I have laptop, I watch on laptop.
That's great. That's nice. Okay. So how long have you been speaking this language?
I'm speaking from 1 year.
Okay, it's been 1 year. That's great. So, so how many conversations have you made today?
Your voice is breaking.
I'm saying how many conversation have you done today so far?
Today I'm doing conversation this first only with you.
Okay, that's great. Nice. Okay.
And nowadays I will do daily conversation one because I get a Diwali vacations.
Okay, so now on you don't have to go to school.
No, I don't go to school right now because I get vacations of Diwali festival.
Okay. So how many days vacations have you gotten?
I got maybe I got 16 days.
16.
Yeah, 16
Okay,
days.
OMG, that's great. Nice. Okay. So, like your school is off on Saturday and Sunday. 2 days is off, right?
Yes, my school is off on Saturday, Sunday, and I go school daily. But I have a holiday at Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, that's great. So, may I know which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English subject.
Uh, yeah, that's great. Okay.
So,
So,
which is your favorite subject?
my favorite subject was maths. Okay. And so ever since I started speaking English, so it has become my favorite subject. It's a kind of language, like I just speak. I love to speak this language.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you read books? Do you read
Um,
books?
yeah. Earlier I used to read book, but I quit that habit, and again I started reading. And these days I'm just reading stories just to enhance my pronunciation and clarity in voice. So that's why I just learned read books.
Which types of books do you do? Which types of books do you read?
It's sometimes it's a self-help books, okay, and sometimes I just read stories.
Okay. And can you tell me about your childhood?
About my childhood.
Yes, your childhood, your school life.
My school life was great. I would say, like, I'm not boasting, but I was a good student back then, and I used to score good in every subject, and I had a lot of friends back then, and after that, my friends quantity started getting decreased. Right now, I just only have one friend only. But in my childhood, I had 3 to 4 friends, and best friend I would say. So yeah, and I used to play cricket because it was my favorite sport, and even now it is my favorite sport, I would say.
And in my class yesterday the result come. In my class, I get a top in the handwriting competition, in Marathi handwriting competition.
Okay, that's amazing. Congratulations. So, what this test was all about? Like, what you had to do in that?
There was a one paper, and about it's just written, and that also they had to copy, and it's a Marathi handwriting competition. Whose handwriting is good, that will select, and I'm select in my class.
Okay, that's amazing. Nice.
I'm a top.
Okay, great. Keep it up. Keep it up. Great work. So, do you watch your own videos sometimes on YouTube?
I don't watch my own videos.
Okay. So, do you edit your own videos or anyone else edit and upload videos?
I just make the videos. I just do conversation and my mother edit and upload on the YouTube.
Okay, that's great. So sweet. Okay. And what's your favorite food? Like, what do you eat? What do you like to eat?
My favorite food is pizza, and today only I eat pizza. I ate pizza, and yes, I like puran poi. It's a famous dish in Maharashtra.
I heard that, this name. Yeah, but I never eaten this.
It's a famous dish in Maharashtra, in my state.
Yeah, I heard about it, but I never had this. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I don't I'm so far from Maharashtra right now, So here I don't get to see that dish. So that's why.
Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from Uttar Pradesh. It's near Delhi.
Yes, I know. And can you tell me about the culture in Uttar Pradesh?
Uttar Pradesh culture is like it's good. Like uh, there are various languages we speak here, and yeah. And what about there?
Here are lots of famous places and malls, and we celebrate the festivals like Diwali, Gudi Padwa, Navratri, like this. And we also celebrate Dashera, and there are lots of festivals. And the famous dish in Maharashtra is, I tell you, Puran Poi, and it's all culture.
Right. And have you heard about Taj Mahal?
Yes, I heard Taj Mahal.
Yeah, it's present in Uttar Pradesh, Agra.
Yes, I know the Taj Mahal. It's just it's in Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah. So have you ever been to Agra and watched Taj Mahal?
No, I never been Agra and Taj Mahal, but I would like to go.
Great. So as you just mentioned that you are from Maharashtra, so have you ever seen any celebrity?
Yes, which celebrity?
Yeah, yeah.
What is mean by celebrity?
Celebrity like actors and some famous people, actor,
No,
actress. No.
no, I never watch. I never, I never see.
Okay, that's great. So what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I just write the stories my own. Then I play. Then I do something. Just taking a task with my sister to speaking in English, and when I get free time I play with my pets and having a fun.
That's great. So do you speak English with your family members also?
Yes, I speak English with my family member.
Okay, that's great. So it means you have an environment of English language.
Yeah, yes, but in my
That's
school I speak with my teacher also.
okay. So other students and other children also speak in English.
Other students, some students speaks no, some students don't speak English, but I have two friends, they speaks in English.
That's great. Yeah, you should do. Yeah, great. Okay. So
Yes,
anything else?
yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you tell me about your English journey?
Yeah, I love to. So I started my English journey in the month of the January in 2024 itself. Okay, in the beginning of this year, I started my spoken journey, and since then I have been speaking this language. And but before that, I used to learn grammatical stuff from YouTube. but at that time I didn't have anyone to talk with. So and after speak, when I started my speaking in January, then I got to know about this application, Skype application. And since then I am having conversation with strangers and interacting with them. So
Wow, great. So,
yeah,
do you know idioms?
yeah, some I know. Yeah, few know.
And do you know tongue twisters?
No, I never tried tongue twister. I never tried.
Oh, can I tell the tongue twisters? And it's I learned in the school also. Tongue twisters some. Oh, I will tell my school tongue twister one. That is, I saw a kitten and a chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten and a chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten and a chicken in the kitchen.
Yeah, it's very hard for me to speak that.
It's
I'll
just
fumble. Hmm.
yes, it's just improve our pronunciations.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I wanted to say. I was coming at that point. So it's very important. If you just want to enhance your pronunciation, and if you want to, bring clarity in your words, so I would definitely say like tongue twisters are really helpful. They can significantly, improve your pronunciation. Yeah,
Yes,
that's great.
improve our pronunciations. Yes, and which is your favorite color?
Okay, that's great. So my favorite color is sky blue.
Oh,
Yeah,
you like blue. Yes. Okay.
yeah. So do you like to watch cricket?
Um. Yes, I like to watch cricket, but not. I don't. I don't understand what they play.
Okay, got it. So, Tanishka, my data has run out. So, can we wrap up this session? We can talk later.
Okay, we can wrap up the session. Have a great day,
Yeah,
sir. Bye.
it was lovely talking to you and happy Diwali. Take care. Bye.
Happy Diwali, sir. Bye.
Happy Diwali. Bye.